Hi YouTube. Impact drivers versus impact wrenches. Which one's best? Well, let's take a look at this one. This is an impact wrench. It has a 1/2 inch anvil. This is an impact driver. Now you'll notice it has an anvil, but instead of being square 1/2 inch drive, it has a 1/4 inch bit driver. So this is used for screw driving, whereas the impact wrench is used for exactly that. It's used as an electronic wrench to turn lug bolts or wheel nuts. It's also more heavy duty. But there is a way that you can use both of them to do each other's jobs. I'll explain. So here we are. We set both units up with different adapters. The Milwaukee has a 1/2 inch to 1/4 inch drive adapter, and the Bosch has a 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch nut adapter. Now this makes both tools able to do both jobs, albeit the Milwaukee is more heavy duty than the Bosch and does have different modes in which you can select the torque. So this is a more powerful item. I can actually make this tool have as much torque as this by just using the first setting there. So there you are. Rather than buy two different items, you can just buy the one and buy either corresponding adapter to suit your needs. Hope this helps with some people if they don't perhaps understand the difference between a wrench and a driver. They are used, the terms are used interchangeably, and there are different things, so it is important to know. Like I say, this one is more heavy duty. This is used more for taking off wheel nuts, whereas the Bosch is used more for driving and drilling purposes. But like I say, they can be used interchangeably. Thanks for watching. Please rate and subscribe.